Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Understanding telangiectasia. Telangiectasia is a condition in which widened venules, that is tiny blood vessels, cause thread-like red lines or patterns on the skin. These patterns or telangiectasis form gradually and often in clusters. They are sometimes known as spider veins because of their fine and web-like appearance. What are the causes of telangiectasia? The exact cause of telangiectasia is unknown. Causes may be genetic, environmental, or a combination of both. Most common, it is believed that most cases of telangiectasia are caused by chronic exposure to the sun or extreme temperatures. This is because they usually appear on the body where skin is often exposed to sunlight and air. Other possible causes include alcoholism. It can affect the flow of blood in vessels and can cause liver disease. Pregnancy often applies large amount of pressure on venules. Aging blood vessels can begin to weaken. Rosacea enlarges venules in the face, creating a flushed appearance in cheeks and nose. Habitual corticosteroid use thins and weakens the skin. Scleroderma hardens and contracts the skin. Dermatomyositis inflames skin and underlying muscle tissue. Systemic lupus erythematosus can increase sensitivity to sunlight and extreme temperatures. Who is at the risk of contracting telangiectasia? Telangiectasia is a common skin disorder even among healthy people. However, certain people are more at risk of developing telangiectasis than others. This includes those who work outdoors, sit or stand all day, misuse alcohol, are pregnant, are older or elderly, have rosacea, scleroderma, dermatomyositis, or systemic lupus erythematosus, use corticosteroids. Symptoms include pain related to pressure on venules, itching, thread-like red marks or patterns on the skin, frequent nosebleeds, red or dark black blood in stools, shortness of breath, seizures, small strokes, port wine stain birthmarks. How do doctors diagnose telangiectasia? Doctors may rely on the clinical signs of the disease. Telangiectasia is easily visible from the thread-like red lines or patterns it creates on the skin. In some cases, doctors may want to make sure that there is no underlying disorders. The doctors may perform an MRI or a CT scan to look for bleeding or abnormalities inside the body. Treatment of telangiectasia. Treatment focuses on improving the appearance of the skin. Different methods include laser therapy. Laser targets the widened blood vessels and seals it. This usually involves little pain and has a short recovery period. Surgery, widened vessels can be removed. This can be very painful and may lead to a long recovery. Sclerotherapy focuses on causing damage to the inner lining of the blood vessel by injecting it with a chemical solution that causes a blood clot that collapses, thickens, or scars the venule. There is usually no recovery needed, although there may be some temporary exercise restrictions. Thank you all. Have a nice